This is my
Is this back brake? Is this a brake?
I wouldn't call it one. They have chargers for electric cars.
Those are Scootn chargers.
Dude, you can charge your scooter in 10 seconds. Huh. Fancy seeing you here. Any luck?
No.
This one make babies? I'm gonna catch this turtle though. What is going on, everyone? We are in downtown San Antonio, fishing the Riverwalk area. I guess it's the San Antonio River. We ran into 4 or 5 bluegill beds. We think these two are actively doing it. There's tilapia everywhere. You say go down that way?
Yeah, down that way.
All right. We're gonna hop on our means of transportation here. I don't really know the best way to carry a rod while scooting is.
You get a backpack? I got backpack.
You staring at each other in the eye? Double train? Creaking. Nice, Fern. It's a chubby little guy. Where'd you get him? Up in there? I think I have to put something with not a square bill on. I'm gonna move. We fished this spot pretty good. Plus my scooter's just racking up points right now. Yeah. Because I think it's cost $1 to unlock every time. I gotta put something else on. Had to change approaches. Can't get the crankbait down deep enough. Go check out a new spot. Huh? Really?
Not here.
Did you have it locked?
No, I didn't lock it now that I think about it.
Oh, God.
But I just ended it, but I don't know where it is to take a picture of it now.
You sure you don't want to buddy up?
You didn't have a scooter?
Someone stole it.
Really?
Yes. I had to end. I came up here and I was like, where the fuck did it go? And it was still going, so I just ended it. I hope they flew off the... I hope it just goes...
It smashes the brakes.
Flies them across the street.
That's kind of hilarious, though. You got scooter.
I forgot to lock it. I just hopped off. I didn't think someone was actually going to, like,
Yeah.
inspect it close enough. Like, did they just walk by every single scooter to see if it's still open? Someone stole it.
My favorite. Snakes. Yeah. Look at this big old lunkin head here. Looks like a dummy. There's a big old carp. That's a tilapia right there, right in front of us.
Is that what that silver one is?
Yeah.
Okay, that's what I saw.
Yeah, these dummies.
There was a huge one. I guess it's also a carp.
Yeah, carp right next to it. There's just a bunch of trash fish right here.
Yeah.
Getting out of here. Huh? I don't know, but I mean, he definitely saw me. I don't think he gives a shit. I think you're just not supposed to scooter on the, but.
It's a bike down here.
Onwards. There you go. All right, well, we going to a new area or calling it quits and hitting the margs? Is it marg time? Margarita? Margarita, I know how to catch those. I can catch a margarita every time. I need another. Start working our way back.